HP laptop 15-FQ0501NA. Hi and welcome to the channel. So today's video I will show you how to enter BIOS and boot menu option. I'm just waiting for the laptop to restart. So once the laptop's restarted, keep tapping F10 now. So once it's on the blank screen, keep pressing F10. This one. So this is a BIOS Uefi. This is how it looks like. So you've got options here. Quick flick through. I'm going to show you guys what system settings there is. As you can see here. I'm going to exit now and show you how to enter boot menu option. So once the laptop restarts, what you need to do is keep tapping the F9 key on the blank screen. Right, yeah, can you see that key? So this is boot menu. So any bootable device will show up here. All you need to do is select it, press enter, and then it will boot from there.